Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. For this presentation, our group will present about the venture capital investment and growth impact of CARSOME, which is a Malaysian company startup that received funding from Gobi Partners. Our team members include Mohammad, Danial, Haziq, Mohammad, Azrul, Nurhafizah, Syakirah, and me, Norhaifa, Syahdina. I will present about the introduction of the company. In 2015, Eric Cheng and Jun Ito established CARSOME, an online marketplace for trading used cars in Malaysia. By digitizing the buying and selling process, the company aims to improve customers' convenience and trust by addressing inefficiencies and a lack of transparency in the conventional used car market. CARSOME mission is to give the clients comfort throughout the whole process of owning a used car. Its vision is to establish the most reliable ecosystem for car ownership using data and technology. CARSOME is a Southeast Asian online marketplace that provides a digital platform that makes the process of buying and selling used cars easier. It offers a practical, reliable, and technologically advanced solution to industrial problems like opacity and complicated procedures. In the expanding local used car market, CARSOME has a dominant market position. CARSOME provides services like a platform for buying and selling used cars, transparent car valuation, 175-point car inspection, CARSOME certified cars, CARSOME promise tickets, home delivery services, physical experience center for test drive. Caro, which is one of the competitors for CARSOME, already sold 120,000 cars and made over 800 million in revenue in the 12 months and ended in March 2023. CARSOME wants to stay profitable while growing its market share from 3% to 5% in the near future and then to 10%. Its strategic shift toward more profitable operations is reflected in the higher margins of its 2020 launched retail business when compared to its wholesale segments.
My name is Mohammad Azrul Aizal bin Jaipudin. The metric number is 2212206555. I will go through venture capital investment cycle. Current pullback trends into favor, VC financing, and startup failures. CARSOME exemplifies this cycle through progressive funding rounds, regional expansion, and strategic acquisitions. CARSOME started in 2015 with just 350,000 in seed funding and quickly expanded across Southeast Asia through strong Series A and B rounds. By 2019 and 2020, it raised 80 million combined in Series C and D to shift into higher margin retail. The biggest leap came with 290 million Series E rounds in 2022 and 2023, backed by major investors like Penjana Capital and Kaca Group. These funds fueled acquisitions like ICA Asia and strengthened CARSOME's position as a regional leader. Now, CARSOME eyeing a long-term profitability and a potential IPO. We go through strengths and weaknesses. Venture capital has been a game changer for CARSOME's growth across Southeast Asia. Since launching in USA in 2015, CARSOME rapidly expanded into Singapore, Indonesia, and Thailand using funding to build local teams, infrastructure, and marketing. Backed by strong capital, its car sales skyrocketed from 10,000 vehicles in 2018 to over 150,000 by 2022. This scale-up was powered by investment in operations, tech, and user experience. Venture funding also enabled strategic shift, like launching CARSOME Academy in 2021 to build automotive talent and opening a retail division in 2022 to target higher margins. Most notably in 2022, CARSOME acquired ICA Asia, solidifying its dominance in the region. By 2022, CARSOME earned 1.5 billion in revenue and claimed 3% of the used car e-commerce market. With plans to reach 10%, CARSOME's VC-backed journey shows how funding fuels innovation, expansion, and long-term profitability.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhafizah Binti Zalizon, metric number 22122075. So today I will present the exit strategy of CARSOME South Asia leading used car e-commerce platform. So, firstly is overview of exit option. CARSOME has not yet undergone an IPO, merger or acquisition. However, it has outlined a clear exit pathway of public listing the primary strategy. For the next is IPO plans. In 2021, CARSOME announced plan for dual IPO on the Nasdaq and Singapore Stock Exchange, although the listing was initially expected in 2022. Unfavorable market condition caused a delay. Nevertheless, CARSOME continued to prepare for a future IPO and has engaged Morgan Stanley as its lead advisor. So, the SPAC consideration as an alternative, the company explores SPAC merger, a faster route to go public. CARSOME still prefer a traditional IPO, which align better with its brand and long-term investor confidence. So we go next to the financial milestone. CARSOME achieved unicorn status in 2021 with a valuation over $1.3 billion, and as of 2024, that valuation is believed to be closer to $2 billion. The company has also reached operational profitability, a key milestone that strengthened the IPO readiness. So we go to the alternative exit possibility. Another potential exit strategy could involve a merger or acquisition by a larger automotive or technology company. However, there are no confirmed moves in that direction so far. So to conclude, CARSOME most likely unsuitable exit strategy remain as an IPO supported by its growth, strong investor backing and profitable business model. With market condition improving, the company may be ready to go public within the next 12 to 24 months.
Hi, my name is Syakirah Binti Alias. My matric number is 22120705. Today, I would like to talk about recommendation. The key recommendation for CARSOME focus on 3 strategy areas. First, expanding high margin service like warranty and insurance will boost revenue per customer and enhance the overall experience, encouraging repeat business. Second, adopting a hub and spoke operational model will improve cost efficiency by centralizing inspection and refurbishment at regional hub, while using smaller branch for customer support. Third, increasing access to auto financing by implementing AI-driven credit scoring and collaborating with fintech company can help serve more customers in markets like Indonesia and Filipina. In conclusion, this strategy will support sustainable growth, improve profitability, and strengthen CARSOME market leadership. That's all for me. Thank you.
To conclude our analysis, CARSOME's success story highlights the power of venture capital in fueling rapid startup growth. Through its smart funding rounds and regional expansion, the company has built a dominant presence in Southeast Asia's used car market, with $1.5 billion in revenue by 2022 and continued innovation such as the CARSOME Academy and certified retail services. CARSOME has laid a strong foundation. Going forward, it's focused on high margin services, operational efficiency, and wider access to financing can drive sustainable profitability and long-term impact in the digital car ecosystem. That's all from our group. Thank you.